Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of Samson, a biblical figure known for his incredible strength and his tragic downfall. So, let's dive right in. Samson was a man of extraordinary strength, a hero who was set apart from birth. He was dedicated to God and blessed with a unique gift that made him a formidable warrior. Samson's strength was so powerful that he could tear apart a lion with his bare hands, and he was even able to pull down the gates of Gaza. However, Samson's strength was not just physical. It was also spiritual. He was a judge in Israel, a leader who fought against the Philistines and led his people to victory. But Samson's strength was also his downfall. You see, Samson was a man of passion. He was deeply in love with a woman named Delilah, and she was determined to find out the secret of his strength. Samson, in his love for Delilah, revealed the secret of his strength to her. And when he did, his strength was gone and he was captured by the Philistines. Samson's story is a cautionary tale about the dangers of passion and the importance of staying true to one's calling. It's a reminder that even the strongest among us can be brought down by our own weaknesses. Samson's story is also a testament to the power of love. In his love for Delilah, he revealed his strength, and in his love for God, he was able to perform miracles. Samson's story is a reminder that love can be both a blessing and a curse, and that it's important to balance our passions with our responsibilities. So, there you have it, folks. The fascinating story of Samson, a man of strength, passion, and love. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the biblical world, and we can't wait to share more stories with you in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the amazing stories of our world.